Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we shall learn how to create this product manipulation flyer in Pixellab. Import your red color background image from the gallery. Import the transparent drink PNG and place. Then import a transparent wine glass. Use the eraser color tool to remove the white color on the glass. Then resize and place beside the drink. Then use the selection tool to select both layers and align to the center using both the position and relative position tool. Then use the sticker option to add shadows to both objects. Use the position tool to make sure the shadow aligns with the objects well. Lock all layers. Import a new sticker, increase its size, and change its color to red. Align sticker to the middle and send to the back. Copy the sticker and repeat the process to your taste. Import the bar logo and add color. Then resize and place the logo at the bottom of the flyer. Use the relative position tool to align to the center. Lock your layers. That's it, save your image. Results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.